Hi lovely guys, I will show you an easy way to remove text from a video in Capcut on PC and Mac 2025 easy tutorial. This video is going to be very informative, so make sure to watch it till the end. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So without wasting any time, I'm already inside Capcut. You also open Capcut and import the video from which you want to remove the text. Now move the slider to the part of the video where the text appears. You can see we want to remove this watermark text. So move the slider slightly before the point where the text appears, and then select the video. Here you'll see a freeze icon. Freeze in Capcut is used to pause a specific frame in your video. It creates a still image of that moment, letting you highlight or focus on something. After selecting freeze, move the frozen image above the timeline like this. Now you'll see another option that looks like a crop icon. Crop in Capcut lets you trim the edges of your video or photo. You can remove unwanted parts and keep only the area you want to show. Remember, before going into the crop tool, make sure the freeze image is selected. Now, in the crop tool, carefully select only the area where the text is located. After making a good selection, press confirm. Now very carefully place this image over the text. You can zoom in or out on the image. If the image looks too big, you can go back into the crop tool and resize it as per your needs. At the same time, keep playing the video and adjusting it accordingly. So this is how you can remove text from your video. If you face any issues, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.